And welcome back to Zeke's RC. Today on the bench I have the TRX4. As you've heard me complain in a lot of videos, this Traxxas ESC has to go, and we're going to put a 1080 Hobbywing in it. So let's get on with that. Alright guys, just for testing's sake, I threw a LiPo on the 1080. I've got the motor plugged in, I've got the ESC plugged in, I still have the light kit plugged in. So let's see, let's turn on the old remote and then switch on the ESC. Okay, we're plugged in. Looks like I got throttle forward, backwards, but I don't have steering, so something ain't quite right here. Let's see, and it might be where this light kit's plugged in here. Let's see, let's pull that one out. That's the jumper to the light kit. Let's pull it out of 2. Channel 1 should be. Channel 1 isn't responding at all. That's interesting. Alright, so it looks like I just got a little overzealous when I was unhooking things here. There's a jumper off of my steer servo. You can see the black wires here that plug in here and then go around the battery tray and into the receiver. I had unplugged this, and that's why I didn't have steering, but I have steering now, and I have throttle forward, backwards, so we're good, and my light kit's gonna work, so I'm gonna reassemble this stuff now. Okay, with our area cleaned up here and both sides of this wiped off, it's time to get some double stick tape on this and just stick them down. Okay, with that stuck down, I left it on an angle so the wire to the receiver wasn't pulled super tight. I know where these are gonna live now. I'm gonna put one more zip tie around all this motor wiring. Tidy up your wiring, it makes your life so much easier, and it makes your truck look way better too. Okay, that gets that out of the way. I think I will tuck this up under here now, so it'll be right there for my battery. And we're good to go run this thing, and I still have my light kit. Super cool. We'll program this 1080. Okay, we're powered on and plugged in. And I'll show you my programming process. I have my cheat sheets here. So 1 equals 3. 1 is your running mode. So we're just gonna go item. 2 equals 1, that's your battery type. 3 should equal 4, so we're gonna change that to 4. And that is the start force, initial start force. 4 equals 1. Oh, 4 is your start force. 3 is your voltage cutoff, sorry about that. 5 equals 4, so that's correct. 5 is maximum forward force. 6 is 4, which is correct. 6 must be on the back. Maximum reverse force. 4 gives you 100%. 7 equals 9. 7 is maximum brake force. 8 equals 5, which is initial brake force. 9 equals 9. Drag brake, and 10 is drag brake rate. And 10 is correct as well. So 11 equals 1, it says. So we're going to change that to 1 and hit OK. 11 is neutral range. 12 equals 9. We're going to change that to 9 and see what that is. 12 is start mode or punch. And 9 says level 9. 13 equals 4, which is correct. That's PWM frequency. 14 equals 1. BEC voltage. And 15 is 1, which is freewheeling. And 1 gives you enabled. So, okay on our programming, and we're good. Okay, so here we all are, all buttoned up and programmed. Mounted the switch there. This guy's on an angle, so the really tight wire comes over to the ESC. On this TRX Sport, I have channel 1, channel 2, and channel 2. Looks like there's 4 channels, but there's 2 slots per channel. So I have my steering and then my light kit plugged in, and then my ESC. So that's how that works. My ESC is jumpered off, or the light kit is jumpered off the power here and the ground here, and then just wired in through a jumper for the steering servo around the battery tray there. So pretty simple to run a 1080 with the Traxxas light kit. So there you go. That's how you take care of the 1080 with the Traxxas with a light kit. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.